Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are making Jamaican jerk sauce. If you want fiery flavors of the Caribbean, you definitely need this sauce. It's everything you need and it's perfect for the spicy food lover. Let me show you how to make it. All right, let's make some Jamaican jerk sauce, my friends. I've got my cooking station set up here, which isn't really cooking, it's a food processor. So there are quite a lot of ingredients here. We're gonna add it all to the processor here. So here I have 6 Scotch Bonnet peppers, or you can use habanero peppers. Make this as spicy as you want. And I have a small red onion chopped. And I have 5 cloves of garlic that are rough chopped. And you can definitely add more if you want. Gorgeous garlic, I love it. And 4 green onions chopped. And I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of vinegar, and you can use your favorite. White vinegar or apple cider vinegar is very good here. Along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Vegetable oil is good. And juice from a small lime or a medium lime is good here. You can add more if you like it limey. And about a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, along with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here's a teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of ground allspice berries, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of ground thyme. You can use fresh thyme as well. And salt and pepper to taste. I'm using about a teaspoon each. All right, next we're gonna process it up. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and chunky and thick. Beautiful. I'm gonna process this just a little bit more to smooth it out. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, there we go. Smoothed out nicely. Looks good, I love this stuff. All right, let's get it moved over to a bowl. Seriously, take a look at this stuff, my friends. Fresh and fiery and huge on flavor. So let's talk about variations. You can definitely use different chili peppers for this recipe. If you want to make it milder, use less hot peppers or even sweet peppers. It works great with that. It's still huge on flavor. And you can also use lots of fresh herbs and play around with the spices. But another way to really play with it is to cook the sauce. It's really meant to be more of a fresh and fiery sauce, but if you cook it, it melds the flavors a little bit differently and it turns it into something more like a hot sauce, and that's definitely fun to play with. All right, let's give it a taste. Fresh, fiery, yes, delicious. Boom, you're gonna love this stuff. So let's talk about serving. This sauce is outstanding with chicken wings, fish, shrimp, any seafood, and pretty much anything off the grill. I mean, anything off the grill, put this little bit of this on there and it's boom, outstanding. You can also swirl it into soups and stews, and even into a little dip to kind of make it more fiery. But really a fantastic way to use this is as a marinade. It works great as a marinade right now, but if you add a little bit of fresh orange juice to this, you've got the perfect jerk chicken marinade, which actually I have on the website. You should check that out. Beautiful, beautiful marinade. It makes the best jerk chicken ever. That's it, my friends. Jamaican jerk sauce. I hope you love it as much as we do. And I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. And hey, if you're looking for other spicy food recipes, boom, boom, I got some right here. Check those out. And I definitely hope to see you in the kitchen next time. So it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.